friends, what's up? So in today's video I'm actually going to show you guys how I actually get ready for like a special night out or like a special event or a date night or a girls night, like whatever kind of event that I have to actually step out of my house for. It's usually a process that starts with a shower and hair washing that I hate doing, but it ends up working out, you know what I mean? So if you guys want to know how this process happens, keep watching. Okay, so like I said, the process always starts the night before where I need to wash this hair. I hate washing my hair because everything gets blue, but it's okay. I like to wash myself. I like to do some scrubbing, do all of that. And then usually when I get out of the shower, I wrap my hair in this cute little Body Shop like towel thing. I feel like it dries my hair just enough without making it super dry. And then once that's on for a little bit, I just like take it out and then I go on with a face moisturizer or a mask. Tonight I'm gonna do a mask because I wanna make sure that my skin is on point tomorrow. And then usually what I also like to do after I'm done showering is I'll like to blow dry my hair the night before, because I feel like when I do my hair the same day, it gets a little frizzy. So I like for it to like kind of calm down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? This Revlon hair drying thing has been saving my life. I'll have the links to everything I use down below, but honestly, I'm never gonna dry my hair with a normal blow dryer ever again. So once this is done, we are going to sleep and I'll see you in the morning. Now that we look like this, we are ready for a full face of makeup. So I'm gonna basically let this play with some music over top. I find these very calm and relaxing, and I'll let you guys know about my favorite products as we go along. Ooh, okay, so let's talk about this foundation. This is the new one that I've been using for the last couple of weeks, I want to say, and I love it so much. This is the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. I'm using it in the color 230 Buff W. Oh my god, you guys, this foundation is so good. So I like to apply it with a brush. I feel like with this foundation and all other foundations that I use, I like to have a thin layer first applied with a brush, and then I like to go over it with a beauty blender. But you guys are gonna see as I'm applying the foundation how much of a difference it shows from left to right of my face when I do half the side. So it's oil free and it's also long wearing. It's like a natural matte foundation, so it's not overly dewy and it's not too matte, so I feel like it's perfect for the winter months. And also if you're someone like me where you break out very easily or your pores get clogged, I don't find that this has any issue. And also you can't feel the foundation on your skin. You know, sometimes you can feel foundation on your skin. I hate that feeling. This one gives me enough coverage without me worrying about, oh my god, is my like foundation caking up and stuff like that. So they have like 45 different shades. They have N for neutral, C for cool and pink tones, and then they have W for warm and yellow. You can also go on their website and you can like upload a picture of yourself. They can also match your skin color to the foundation color you need. Honestly, I've been looking for a new foundation and I even asked you guys a couple of weeks ago on Instagram which one I should get. So I'm very happy that I finally have a new foundation to play around with and that I've been loving. Lancome was actually super generous and they gave me a 20% off coupon code. So I'll have the link to the website down below along with the coupon code. It's just LIBA20. And if you guys are interested in getting the foundation, obviously use the discount code because saving money is always a good idea. So for my under eye concealer, I know I told you guys I was gonna make it like a song thing, but honestly I want to explain every product because I love everything in here. So this hyaluronic acid concealer by ColourPop is so good. I just forget the one that I used for contour, but the one for under your eyes is amazing, you guys. It doesn't crease, it's very lightweight, it's super moisturizing, and I love it. And then since I decided to do a dark lip, I'm gonna do dramatic eyelashes. These are the Shop Sansa Beauty lashes. Sana, my sister-in-law, came out with them and I'm using them in the style Double Double. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. This video was a little bit different than what I normally post, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe here, my vlogging channel, my entire family here on YouTube. My dad has a YouTube channel now also, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.